So I'm at a Richmond American home. We are at the Ashley plan. Right behind me is plan 1. It's the Oakley one. And it starts at $499,900. It has 2,400 plus square feet, 3 or 4 bedrooms, whichever you like. We are right in Henderson at Cadence, so you can use the Cadence Park, which is big. It's beautiful for the kids and your pets, and it also has a pool as well. So we're gonna go right in. This property is 2 stories. You can have 3 or 4 bedrooms, depending on what you need. It has 3 bathrooms. It does have a 2-car garage. And you can also choose your elevation. Your elevation is the rock. It's on the outside. So as you walk in, there is a bathroom for your guests downstairs. And it has a nice, beautiful hallway here. You can actuate this wall with your pictures, paintings. It opens up here to the great room, which is the living room, dining room, and kitchen. Look how beautiful this is. It's a great size here for relaxing, entertaining. To have your stainless steel appliances, floor to ceiling cabinets, beautiful. All this storage. You have your microwave, your stove, your dishwasher in this large island here. And you also have your sink here. What I like about this sink, it's offset, so you still have room for chopping over here. Because some of them are right smack in the middle, so it makes it a little bit difficult. You have nice wooden floors here. This walk-in pantry. Here's your Costco run right here. Put all your spices if you're a cook. Large dining room area. And also on this island, there's room for stools too. So if you want to entertain and chat at the same time, you can definitely do that. We'll head outside before we go upstairs. Has a good size backyard. Does come with dirt. Has an awning here, patio cover. It is a good size. It comes to your canvas, so you can put whatever you like out here. So we'll go back inside to this lovely, huge living room area, and we'll go upstairs. Upstairs, you're greeted with this large loft here. So you have a separate living room area. You can also put it as a gym or an office. It does have a laundry room upstairs, which is really nice and convenient. So you could just do your laundry and head over to the bedrooms when it's dry. Plenty of storage here and a sink. Here is bedroom number 1. Definitely a good sized bedroom. That is a full-size bed. Double door sliding closets. We'll go back out here to the upstairs bathroom. It does have double sinks, which is really nice for these bedrooms up here. It has a shower. Here's the other bedroom. They have it as a craft room. You could definitely make it as a bedroom, it's large enough. Or you can have it as a office. This one does have a walk-in closet. It's pretty large. We'll go out here to the primary bedroom. That is a king-size bed. Plus there's plenty of room to put the large nightstands they have here. And there's room to the wall as well. You could put artwork or a TV. We'll go to the primary bedroom over here. Separate shower and tub, black fixtures, beautiful tile, and black shower head. This has double sinks as well. Lots of cabinet space. And then over here is linen closet. Plenty of room for all your towels and sheets. And then you have your walk-in closet, which is very large. It's hard to see in the video. but it's a large walk-in closet. This one has a balcony. We'll go outside. So in these properties, you have your 9-foot ceiling, you have your 8-foot sliding glass doors to go outside. Beautiful, beautiful homes and your quartz countertops. Now this property is in Cadence, so you have access to the Cadence Park, and it's huge, it's beautiful for the kids and puppies and just to relax. It also has a pool out there too. So if you want to know more about this property or any other properties, so this is a new build home, Richmond American, great builder. So you're definitely going to love these homes. If you want to come out and see one, let me know. My number's right here and down below. Have a blessed day.